on, everybody? It is Tuesday evening, out walking with my bounce boots on. It's gorgeous. Nobody's out here. It's just you and me, mano a mano. So I wanted to talk about, should you start a YouTube channel now? And the answer is yes. And in another video that I did the other day, I had mentioned I'm quitting my channel. Wasn't really quitting my channel, but just in my head, I'm like, I keep saying to myself I'm gonna quit because I'm going up and down. But in the end, I love it. I really do love it. Sometimes you can reach a burnout phase. In fact, came across somebody who was extremely successful from a channel and they walked away. So some people just get burnt out with it. For me, I love it because my channel is based upon products that I enjoy using, doing reviews on, and also tips. So my tip, by the way, is yes, start a YouTube channel. So I signed up with Sean Cannell and Think Media's Academy to work on my YouTube channel and social media. And what I love is the passion that people are having in starting a new channel and having fun with it. So one, definitely start a channel right away. So you want to get set up with a Google account and then you could set up a YouTube channel. And then start with your phone. You don't need to invest in equipment. It also has, backlit where it can lighten up your face a bit. And that's what I would definitely start with. And then eventually, as you grow, you can invest in equipment. So start there. If you have a passion about something, then that would maybe the channel that you might want to go after. What I would also do is go onto YouTube and search similar types of channels that you might have in mind and see what other people are doing out there. And then you could see how you would fit in versus what they're doing, and you might be able to pick up some ideas. So I definitely would recommend starting a channel, having fun with it. One of the things that I've learned as a tip, and I shared the other day, is you want to at least get one video up a week. There's obviously a lot you can learn. There's great tips out there. Again, Think Media is a great channel to follow with a lot of great tips. I'm learning as well. And love, have fun with it. So it could be just a hobby. If you're into music, if you're into gaming, if you are into gardening, whatever it might be, then create that channel about that and then tips. So if you want to talk about people how to garden through the winter and then through the spring, summer, and fall, that could be your channel. So if you're a massage therapist, you can talk about different techniques and ways that people can handle doing some kind of physical therapy or some massage therapy with themselves, and some tips. And there's so many different things that you can do, and people are looking for content that you might have. So be curious. If you're on the fence to start a channel, let me know if you are. Let me know what you're thinking. Love to hear what other people are coming up with, and maybe I can share some thoughts, ideas, and also point you in the right direction with a few things. And I would love to see some other people out there. It's fun, and then you can get into some affiliate income. So if you're out of work and you're trying to find something, then you could build a supplemental income, and you could start making money every month. And I have videos that are several years old. 8-9 years plus old that I'm still getting paid on. It's beautiful. It's residual income. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you are on the fence. Let me know what kind of channel you want to get started, and I'll continue to share as I learn how to improve on my channel, some tips, and then also sharing on social media, improving that as well. All right, everybody, have a great day. Look forward to hearing about your channel and seeing you on the internet. Keep smiling. Let's go. Buckle up. Here we go.